You know, just moments ago, I received a phone call from Judge Brad Schimel conceding the race.
For sure.
So sorry about that.
No, it's not a problem.
In November, the margin was, less than 40,000 votes between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. Here, the margin was over 200,000 votes in a race where there was 1 million less turning out to vote in the first place. So it was a real thumping compared for Wisconsin politics. This is a really big win in Wisconsin. Donald Trump's been on the ballot in presidential elections 3 times in Wisconsin and won twice. And part of his message is, I'm so rich, I can't be bought. Elon Musk came to Wisconsin and said, I want to give you money in exchange for your voting, or in exchange for your pledge to vote, or something like that. This doesn't sit well with Wisconsinites. They want money out of politics. They want people to be separated from a fidelity or a tie to donors and that kind of thing. And so I think it really backfired on them to have Musk come and make those arguments. We've had a bunch of these races in recent years, and there are 2 more races in the next 2 years, but both are to replace a conservative on the court. So no matter what, the liberals are going to have a majority for the next couple of years. This means cases for labor rights, redistricting, abortion are all likely to go the left's way, which could fundamentally change how politics works in Wisconsin and nationally if redistricting happens at the House of Representatives level. I think we're seeing Wisconsin Democrats find a winning hand. They find a extremely competent, relatively moderate woman to run in statewide races. And when they've done that on the state Supreme Court side, they've done very well and won by about the same margin each time. And so you have to have this baseline level of competence to do the job. You have to be able to handle the rigors of a tough campaign, because each time there's a state Supreme Court race in Wisconsin, it breaks spending records. There's all kinds of negative ads. You have to be able to stand that heat. But you also need to be moderated enough to appeal to voters who voted for Barack Obama and Donald Trump, for Joe Biden and Donald Trump.
You have some shots, right?
No, I don't. I'm going
Yes. One, we should not overinterpret the results of one race that was nonpartisan, at least in name only. But it is a signal that early in the Trump administration, in the first 100 days, the traditional honeymoon period, there's already a 10-point backlash. That could be significant. And so it's really up to see how the president responds to this. Does he keep doing what he's been doing, or does he change course in response to this defeat that will get tied to him in some way?